Hey guys, hey, it's Friday. Happy Friday, you guys. It's 3 p.m. right now. It's 3 p.m. I am at work to see how much I can make today, y'all. It's 3 p.m. I just started my. Ooh, yo, I'm cold. I'm sorry, I'm cold. I just started my shift right now and I received an order. I'm waiting for it. $18 going to Mayo and it's two drop off, y'all. So I'm waiting for them. The pickup time is 3:15 and right now it's like 3:02. So I think I'm about to go in store to just walk around so I can kill time, Yeah, let me do that. Let me go into Walmart. Yo, look at my tire. Decided to come to put air in my tire before I even start. I forget about it, so you are super flat, y'all. Super flat. You guys, after waiting that order for about 20 minutes, y'all, they just canceled it. They ended up canceling and they paid me $3.15. They give me an order, let me go check. Yo, they finally gave me a shopping order, $20 going for Mayo, and I'm going to shop for 12 items. And it's raining outside, so I don't know if I might be able to work the whole shift, the whole shift, I guess, because it's raining.
Journey checklist.
Guys, I have another order, $24, the shopping order. I'm shopping for 24 items, yeah. 24 items, and I have one more left that I'm going to grab at F. So I didn't want to bring my cart with me. I left it at the register. It's getting warm. It's getting cold, y'all. It's getting cold. I lost my other glove, so let me put the heat all the way to high, y'all. 90. Cause it's super cold. Okay, let's go deliver this order, y'all. Okay, we're about to drive for 14 minutes. 14 minutes to get to our destiny. Oh my gosh. Never mind. Yo, this order here was a shopping order and it was a $20 for 4 Mayo, yo, and everything I put in here. So I am here at the place. Let's go deliver it. Let's go deliver it. Ooh. Yo, I just got a big order, yo. 30, $31. It's a shopping order, and it's only going, I think it's a 2 mile, 1 mile, and I'm only shopping for 7 items, yo. 7 items. I hope everything that she picked, I found it because she tipped me good, yeah. So I'm coming to give this one. Let me go ahead and scan it. When I received this order, you guys, I was just going in Walmart looking stuff around, and I found this pajama. Then they're on sale, $11 each. So I had to take it, y'all. I had to take it. So before I check out this one is only for scan and go. So I'm going to the next register to do my items. So let me go to this one here. Let me check out my stuff. See, $13. $27. It's okay. So now back to this. Let me scan over there and start packing my item. All right. I am here. Let's drop this stuff, y'all. Let's drop this stuff. It's going over there. Just received another order, you guys. $25. I'm only going to shop for 11 items, and it's going 5 miles. I think this is gonna be my last one. It's going 5 miles, y'all. 5 miles. So let's go do this order. You guys, I am home, and I finished work around 8. So in my area around 8, like 8 o'clock, the orders slow down. Like we don't see orders like that. So you know what, I decided to go home. So, and for today I made 120. 120. That's how much I made today, y'all. So I'm super happy. I'm super excited. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share. I love you guys. I see you tomorrow.